Let's study this cuboid. Now I've drawn this cuboid here, and it has a height of 2 centimeters. It's got a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. All right. Now you know for a fact that a cube or a cuboid, it has got 6 2D shapes. It's got 6 of them, 6 surfaces. 1, and then 1 at the bottom. 2, and then 1 directly opposite that. And this is the third one, and 1 opposite that. So there's 3 pairs, okay? 1 top and bottom, 2 opposite, and the front and the back. So there are in total, let's rub this out, there are 3 pairs that look identical. All right. Now, when we work out the area, you know that if I was to work out the area of just this shape in front, it would be 2 times 6, just for the surface area of 1 panel. Okay. But we know there are 6 panels in total, but this 1 panel at the front is 2 times 6. We know that. And remember, there's another one identical to this front panel at the back. So let's have a look at how we work out the surface area of a cube. Now, sometimes it looks a little bit tricky only because we are using a formula. We are giving things letters, because otherwise, look at all the words I've got on over here. It looks so complicated. I've got so many words. But we want to work through this quickly just by using a few numbers and a few letters. So instead of writing length like that, I just get rid of the rest of it, because you know L stands for length. Width, we know the W stands for width, so we don't need the rest of the letters there. Let's get rid of this too. So now we've got a height, length, and W for width. That's great, isn't it? So let's have a look at how we can work this out. We said 2 times 6. So if you look here across, that is the same as that 1 panel at the front. So I do 2 times 6. And what is that the same as? It's the same as the height multiplied by the length. So let's put that down here. The height multiplied by the length. I'll just put a cross there, which we know is 6 centimeters. And remember, there's 2 panels, 1 at the front and 1 at the back. Okay. Then let's have a look at the black rectangle, and we can shade these in. So the black one will be this, and that one on this side. Okay. And the blue one is the one at the front. Let's color that one in. And then we can have that one as, let's call it the red rectangle. So let's see what we do next. The black rectangle, which is this panel, and the one opposite. So that's going to be the height. We can put that down here now. Height times by the width. Okay, so this is 2 centimeters, isn't it? So it's height times by width. So 2 times 4, which we know is 8 centimeters. And then the last one, this red one, which is the top and the bottom underneath, and the one on the top. And that's going to be 4 times 6. So let's write that down. That's going to be this part, the width. This here is 4 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters. So width times by length. So when I work them out, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8, sorry. 4 times 6 is 24. Then because I've got 2 of each of them, I have to double it. So double 12, double 8, double 24. And look, I've got the answers here. So 12 times 2 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. 12 times 2 is 48. And that's how you work out the answer. So the surface area for this shape here, this cuboid, is 88 centimeter squared. So the first worksheet that you've got in your packs, you can use this to help you try and work these out, okay? And remember, if you need to, draw out a shape like this to try and work out how to do them.